good, YouTube? I'm back at y'all with another video. Before I get into today's video, you feel me? Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, you know, on our way to 100 subs. Today's video, y'all feel me? We do got some right here next to us. I'm on my way to my destination right now. You feel me? It is kind of raining outside, so we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully it ain't raining too bad by the time I get there. Oh, so yeah, I do got a little video for y'all. Oh shit, god damn, do got a little video for y'all today, trying to bring out some more content for y'all. Let me know if y'all been enjoying the content so far. Might try to cut up a little in traffic while it's raining. Hopefully I don't bip the load, you feel me? We are going to my brother, so he's gonna help me, you know, do what that is right there. Y'all probably already know by the title of the video when I post this video anyway, so it ain't even gonna be a little secret. But I will catch you boys when I do get to his crib though, so. What up, YouTube? I'm at my destination. As y'all can see, we are trying to figure out how to put the holes in there. My brother went to go find a tape measure, so he should be out here shortly, you feel me? Gonna try to get her on. Look at that Chrysler. That Chrysler low-key tough. We low-key about to put her on. So y'all stay tuned for the video today, you feel me? This is gonna look tough when she's done, I ain't gonna lie. Took us a minute to line it up, but we finally got it right, I ain't gonna lie, chat. Alright, let's take that liner off, cousin. Yep, now we gotta take the liner out from the inside of the trunk. To dry too. Let me put this over there. Yeah, you can. We're about to drill them. Should have like some holes in this one, right up in here, and then right there on the other side. So we finna get right into that. Be straight. We're finna take a little break, so I'm gonna get back to y'all.
A few moments later.
You really love me, don't you?
Yeah, if I really want you to do this, bro, we is about to start drilling the holes in.
Let's see.
Whew.
Look at it. It did start forever.
Yeah, you better make sure you control it right there, bro. I need my camera. Yes, sir. Quick. Yeah, that one was nice.
But we're still gonna have to go deeper.
Yeah. Oh, I'm stepping on the water bottles and the last one. pretty.
Pop that bitch.
Let's see if we can see it on the other side. Can you see him? Oh, yep, I see him.
Got daylight.
Let me see. Oh, where's this bitch at?
I can see it right here. Look.
Oh, so they're way in there. You got 1,
We'll be able to get a little wrench.
2. Yeah. 3rd one right there. Now we just got to drill some bigger holes in it so we could see if it screws in or not. He said a 5/16, bruh. That shit seems way too big. I'm gonna be mad as hell I can't put my spoiler on. I'm gonna have some big ass holes in my trunk, bruh. Giving out false information. So we gonna see. He may be right though. You know, first little project we doing on the car. Let me know. I could get y'all right too. You feel me? Just call us up. We gonna get y'all right.
If this nigga was right.
Bro, if he was right the whole time, look, bro.
There's no way, bro.
This one he said we supposed to be using, chat. There's no way, right? Let me see this bolt. Like, there ain't no way we supposed to be using. That don't even seem right, bro.
No, 5/16 and shit.
For real, that don't even seem right. We're trying to make it tight so it don't fly off when I'm driving.
He's tweaking, bro.
Oh yeah, if we would have went up what he was saying, bro, I'd have been cooked in the chat.
He got cooked.
I'd have been having holes all in my hood, bro. Y'all would have been laughing at me out here. Yeah, dude was tweaking. So which one was that? The 732? Or the 7, that's the 764 right there. That's the one you need, I think.
No, it's the 1/4.
Oh shit, it's the 1/4. That's the one you need for the American Muscle spoiler, the one that I got. Magic like that, my boys. I'm asking. Oh, YouTube, it is the second day of the spoiler. The first day didn't go too well, you know. We kind of lost 2 bolts in here. I don't know if y'all can hear them, but we did lose 2 bolts in there. For the second day, we did finally get it on, as y'all can see. Make sure when y'all get this SRT, one and y'all putting it in yourselves, make sure y'all put some cloth in here so y'all don't lose y'all bolts down inside like I did, please. Cause you will lose some bolts, bro, if you do not got them cloths down in there. But yeah, this is how it's looking. You know, it do look different now, I ain't gonna lie. What? Really just threw that at me? Oh yeah, the back do look tough, I ain't gonna lie. If you like the video, make sure y'all subscribe. That's going to be the end of today's video. I'll catch y'all in the next one.